Hello and welcome to another video where I'm going to show you how to put an outline on your text. Now once you get your text set up, you can choose a color of your text, whatever you want, but for this example I'm just going to keep it blue. I got something called Hogwarts here from Harry Potter if you're a Harry Potter fan. So what you're going to do is you're going to select your text or your text layer, go up to the top toolbar here, go to Layer, Layer Style, and Blending Options. Now basically all this is really is a stroke on your text. Now you can go and choose any color you want. You can see here that now it's black. You can mess with the size of the stroke. You can go kind of crazy, keep it nice and clean. You can have all kinds of blending options and the position, and you can choose any color that you want. I'm picking a red here or a black, green, any color that you want. I like black, but it depends on your background and what you're really going for. So that's pretty much it. Don't overthink it. It's really simple just to put an outline on your text. That way your text can pop off the page, whatever you're making. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward, and I hope you guys liked the video and look out for some more easy tips in Photoshop.